Hello, welcome to JEEVES. In this tutorial I will show you how manager to become admin. Tap the member icon. You can see the account. The status is manager. Select the account, the manager. Scroll down. Tap the Appoint icon. Tap OK to appoint the manager to be admin. You can see the status of the account has changed. Earlier it's assigned as manager, then we appoint the manager as admin. Next tutorial, how we demote the admin to become manager. Tap the admin account. Scroll down. You can see the Demote icon. Tap the Demote icon. Tap OK. You can see we already demote the admin. Once we demote the admin, it will change the status. It will become manager again. We successfully demote the admin. Thank you for watching. See you for the next tutorial.